Hey everyone. Well, we have finished our first week and I was really happy with the way it went. I know it's hard sometimes to get up on the boards the first week, but really folks posted early and often, and there's only a couple things outstanding from the whole class. So I chalk this up to a big success. I've left you a lot of information about thoughts about last week and thoughts about the week to come, and I just want to go over a few more things that I think will help us moving forward. And the first is about posting early, but in order. And I think you'll notice that the entire class is structured in a way that the discussion boards lead to good ideas about the assignments. So if you get your discussion post up early and get comments from me in the class, then you're going to have some help in terms of idea when you are posting your assignments. So if I were taking this class, I would dive into the discussion board. I'd read everything. I'd post the discussion. I'd probably be posting it tomorrow on a Tuesday. And then I think my dogs want to come in, see them. I locked them out. And then I gather information. People say amazing things in these discussion boards. And then I'd work on my assignments, and I'd probably, knowing me, because I'm like this, and sometimes posting early isn't great, but mostly it is, but I'd probably post by Friday. And I'd have my discussions done, and I'd have a weekend. That's how I would roll here. But I would do things in order, because I really think then you find out that each week leads to the final project. So you're building as you go. The other thing I really encourage you to do, and sometimes people do it all at once at the end before the final project, and I can't even imagine what that's like, is every week after you turn in your assignments, go through my comments and my audio in the Turnitin document, because I'm actually talking to you about what I think you might have done in your assignment, which is a part of what your final project will be. So before the final project, if you haven't listened to anything I've said and you want some hints about how to put it together, you have to go through all of them, which I think would be horrible to listen to me for, 3 times 10, 30, half an hour of me. So again, order, post, read, that kind of thing. I've left many of you Modern Language Association comments, MLA format. Your final paper should be in MLA. All the writing you do in this field should be in MLA, so may as well get it done now. I left you a great link in the written announcement. The Purdue University has a great MLA site. So I'm there, 5 times a week for students, and I really recommend it. The other thing is about videos. SNHU kind of backed off the video requirement in the old way, if you want to, because of accessibility. So what I do is I use a program called Screencast-O-Matic, and then I upload to YouTube, and then my channel has English subtitles as a default. And if you enunciate clearly, pretty much the transcript is verbatim. And sometimes I go through and I go, oh, that wasn't what I said. But mostly it works. So if you want to do that or add a transcript with one of the ways that are available to you, that's fine. But don't just post a video without anything. It's just not available to folks who cannot hear, and it's just better for everyone if you have that. Okay, that is all for today, and I look forward to, we have a busier week. We have 3 things to do, so I would say, as they say in the UK, crack on. All right,